as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this.
Entering the Baliwag University Cultural and Sports Center is Ms. Raquel R. Rola, representative of the Baliwag University Alumni Association, Dr. Ramadan D.C. De Jesus, principal of the Senior High School Department, and Dr. Patricia B. Lagunda, president of the Baliwag University. The President is wearing a presidential medallion which serves as a symbol of authority, accomplishment, and distinction. The Presidential Medallion is symbolic not only of the office of the President, but also of the history, achievements, and maturity of Baliwag University in its role within the community and society.
Father Almighty, the sovereign creator and ruler of the universe, today, we acknowledge your wondrous deeds. Your children gathered in this hall today raise their voices in unison to give praise and exaltation to your name for the marvelous works you have done for them as they journeyed in the Senior High School Department of Baliwag University. All these years, they saw you, Lord, in the little triumphs that they celebrate. They acknowledge the grace that motivated them. They saw you, Lord, in their daily struggles. They acknowledge your hands that guided them. As they are about to graduate, in this moment of victory, they see you and they acknowledge your infinite goodness.
I'm so blessed, my Lord, I can see you in all the lovely things so fine and true. I see you in the beauty of the flowers and the rain. I see you between the lines of a sweet refrain. I'm so blessed, my Lord, I can see you. Even when I'm lonely and in pain, I see you in the beauty of the stars at night. I see you in my life, I feel alright. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you in the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray.
I'm so blessed, my Lord, I can see you in the smile of a baby, sweet and true. I can see you in the eyes of my very best friends. I see you in these bonds, just like your love that never ends. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you in the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray.
magiliw, perlas ng sinangalan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyag ka ng magiti, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisihin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simuyan, sa langit mong bagaw, may dinagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagong, kailan nagdininig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan, pamay di magdidinig, lupa ng araw ng buwan, ating pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Is the Senior High School Principal, Dr. Ramadan D.C. De Jesus, and to declare the graduates is the University President, Dr. Patricia B. Lagunda. Let us give them a round of applause.
Dr. Patricia B. Lagunda, as Principal of the Senior High School Department, I have the honor to present to you the 118 graduating students from the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand of the Baliwag University Senior High School from this batch of graduates. NTech students, please rise. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements set by the Department of Education for their curriculum. I am also submitting to you the list of their names for appropriate action and for future reference.
By virtue of the powers vested in me by the Board of Trustees of the Baliwag University and the Department of Education of the Republic of the Philippines, and upon the recommendation of the Principal, Dr. Ramadan De Jesus, and faculty members of the Senior High School Department, I now declare you graduates of the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, or STEM strand, with all the rights, responsibilities, privileges, and honors appertaining thereto. Congratulations, dear graduates, and let's be the best we can be.
Dr. Lagunda, this time I have the honor to present to you the 27 graduating students from the General Academic strand of the Baliwag University Senior High School. GenCAD students, please rise. They too have satisfactorily completed all the requirements set by the Department of Education for their curriculum, and I am also submitting to you the list of their names for appropriate action and for future reference.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as President and by the Board of Trustees of the Baliwag University and the Department of Education of the Republic of the Philippines, and upon the recommendation of your Principal, Dr. Ramadan De Jesus, and your loving faculty members of the Senior High School Department, I now declare you graduates of the General Academic strand, or GAS, with all the rights, responsibilities, privileges, and honors appertaining thereto. Congratulations, dear graduates. And again, let's be the best we can be.
Please rise. They also have satisfactorily completed all the requirements set by the Department of Education for their curriculum. I'm also submitting to you the list of their names for appropriate action and for future reference.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as President, by the Board of Trustees of the Baliwag University and the Department of Education of the Republic of the Philippines, and again upon the recommendation of Dr. Ramadan De Jesus, your principal, and the faculty members of the Senior High School Department, I now declare you graduates of the Humanities and Social Sciences, or HUMS, strand with all the rights, responsibilities, privileges, and honors appertaining thereto. Congratulations, dear graduates of the HUMS strand, and let's be the best we can be.
Here are the graduates from NTEC 1. Anem John Joseph D. with honors and Microsoft Office Specialist. Baroga Ronald Alan VD with honors, Outstanding Investigatory Project, Teatro Hiraya member. Kabakungan Arthur III M with honors and Microsoft Office Specialist. De la Cruz Martin Luigi L. with honors, PU B Club member, loyalty awardee from grade 7 to grade 12, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Estrella Jefferson M. with honors, Best in Science and Technology, Outstanding Investigatory Project, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Gamocha Raven John C. Loqueliano Paulo R. with high honors and Microsoft Office Specialist. Morete Lorenzo Y. Microsoft Office Specialist. Nazal Christopher V. with high honors, Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12, and Microsoft Office Specialist. For Shangkula, Anthony Wilfred R. with honors, Outstanding Investigatory Project and Microsoft Office Specialist. Pulongbarit Frasher Luke P. Outstanding Investigatory Project. Santos Andre D.R. with honors, Outstanding Investigatory Project, Service to Department Clubs, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Tadeo Hans Aaron E. Service to the University AMSO and Microsoft Office Specialist. Valmadrid Rainier A. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Verde, Keith Liam P. with honors. Caligya Erka A. with honors in Microsoft Office Specialist. Colliantes PV Chloe M. with honors, Outstanding Investigatory Project and Microsoft Office Specialist. Cruz Maria Micaela M. with high honors in Microsoft Office Specialist. De La Cruz Mary May G. with honors, Outstanding Investigatory Project. Favis Maria Sofia L. with high honors, service to the department and Microsoft Office Specialist. Guevara Hudley M. with high honors, Best in Social Sciences and Microsoft Office Specialist. Magat Dorothy M. with honors and Microsoft Office Specialist. Mangulabnan Rubilin C. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Marasigan Helena S. with high honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Robles Margaret Athea C. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Rafaela A. with honors, Outstanding Investigatory Project and Microsoft Office Specialist. Silvestre Zyren P. Microsoft Office Specialist. Taha Hanifa G. with honors. Villanueva Jade Ashley I. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Vivas Hananaya Avril P. with honors, BU Dance Troupe member and Microsoft Office Specialist. And here are the graduates from NTEC 2. Agbuya Stanley C. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Cruz Cruz William Kenneth R. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Ingal Clarence V. with honors, Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Javier John Lawrence R. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Malaluan John Patrick B., Microsoft Office Specialist. Nares Sean Jericho DC with honors, Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12, Microsoft Office Specialist. Ramos Kier Cameron SJ with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Villanca Sean Maverick V with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Arceo Asiel Pauline M with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Clemente Bianca Francesca R. with high honors, Service to the Department and Microsoft Office Specialist. Clemente Francine R. with high honors, Best in Social Sciences and Microsoft Office Specialist. Cortez Lorraine Kathleen Zay M. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Dueñas Shane P. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Go Leona Ivan C. with high honors and Microsoft Office Specialist. Haleco Rochelle Claire B. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Igaya Kizea Bien S. with high honors, Best in Science and Technology and Microsoft Office Specialist. Mariano Claire Natalie P. Microsoft Office Specialist. Maximo Errol Joy C. with high honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Morita Lira Reiko N. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Nolasco Shaina Roshan H. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Nolasco Shaira Roxanne H. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Pangilinan Sia Natalie C. with honors, BU Dance Troupe member, Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Perez Jilan G. with high honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Polintan Charlene May DL with high honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Ramos Angeline F. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Reyes Keith Cobain C. with high honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Reynoso Sofia May P. with high honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Santos Millicent T. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Sevilla Sofia Franchel C. with high honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Chemsen Jersey Miara B. with high honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. And here are the graduates from EngTech 3. Angeles Angelo Gabriel B., Microsoft Office Specialist. Castillo John Andre F. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Castro Bern Mikan P. with honors, Loyalty Award from Kinder to Grade 12 and Microsoft Office Specialist. Cruz Miguel Arkin B. with high honors, Outstanding Research Paper, Loyalty Award from Grade 7 to Grade 12, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Cuarto, Taishan Zithri V. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Quezon, Lester Edward O. with honors, Debate Contest winner and Microsoft Office Specialist. La Chica Daryl James, Loyalty Award from Grade 7 to Grade 12 and Microsoft Office Specialist. Lee Rafael Aaron A. with high honors, Outstanding Research Paper, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Luke 2, Mark Gabriel S. with high honors, Clara winner, Pulprisa winner, Athlete of the Year, Loyalty Award from Grade 7 to Grade 12, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Marcelino Zach Nathaniel T. with high honors, Best in Communication Arts Filipino, Outstanding Research Paper, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Navarez Daniel Howell M. Ramos Genrix M. with honors, outstanding research paper, and Microsoft Office specialist. Santiago Jose Villamar Jr. C. with high honors, best in specialized subjects, Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12, and Microsoft Office specialist. Santos Jerome Allen S. with high honors, Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12, and Microsoft Office specialist. Santos Russell E. with honors, Microsoft Office specialist. Aquino Michelle Grace J. with highest honors, Best in Communication Arts English, Best in Communication Arts Filipino, Best in Science and Technology, Best in Social Sciences, Best in Specialized Subjects, Leadership Award, University Leadership CSLA, Service to the Department, Bulprisa Contest winner, and Microsoft Office specialist. Arjona Nicole L. with honors, Microsoft Office specialist. Cruz Aliana P. with high honors, Best in Communication Arts English, Best in Specialized Subjects, Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12, and Microsoft Office specialist. De La Paz Carla Denise A. with honors, Microsoft Office specialist. De La Peña Ira M. with honors, Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12, and Microsoft Office specialist. Magdalas Aliza Mija P. with honors, BU Dance Troupe member, Outstanding Research Paper, Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12, and Microsoft Office specialist. Mendoza Miracle Elise DG with honors, Microsoft Office specialist. Ramos Jeline IZN with high honors, BU Dance Troupe Member, Loyalty Award from Grade 7 to Grade 12, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Reyes Chelsea Marie R. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Rivera Diana Faye G. with high honors, Loyalty Award from Grade 7 to Grade 12, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Salazar Sophia Faith DL with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Timaho Cyril Jane C. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. And here are the graduates from NTEC 4. Alejandrino Robin R. Aquino Adrian Russell L. Loyalty Award from Grade 7 to Grade 12. Barbosa John Red Yuan M. with honors, Outstanding Research Paper. Cruz Adrian C. with honors. Cruz John Neil D.L. De Vera John Benedict S. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Garcia John Patrick V. Gonzalez Allen Marvy S. with honors. Guevara Mark Angel M. Santos Denzel Rafter P. with honors, Outstanding Investigatory Project. Santa Maria Edrich Ali D. Bulpriso winner and Outstanding Investigatory Project. Telesforo Lou Jeren M. Outstanding Research Paper. Uy Carlos Miguel A. with high honors, Outstanding Research Paper, Outstanding Investigatory Project, Best in Communication Arts English, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Ariola Yuri Mitchell M. with honors, Outstanding Research Paper. Carlos Maryjoy C. with high honors, Outstanding Research Paper, Outstanding Investigatory Project. Celestre German Ashley B. Loyalty Award from Kinder to Grade 12. Cruz Bayalin J. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Cruz Jewel DM with honors. Kunanan Angeline D. with high honors, Outstanding Research Paper and Outstanding Investigatory Project. De La Cruz, Clevery Gracie M. with honors. De Los Reyes, Sofia Nicole F. Loyalty Award from Kinder to Grade 12. De Los Santos, Rosalyn A. with high honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Hernandez Alexandra C. with high honors, Outstanding Investigatory Project. Jacinto Stephanie Ann O with honors. Lanoza Myla R with the high honors, service to the department, service to the department clubs, outstanding investigatory project, and Microsoft Office specialist. Peralta Stephanie Maris S with honors, Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12 and Microsoft Office specialist. Raimundo Julia Isabel V, Microsoft Office specialist. Sabariaga Maria Katrina V with honors, Microsoft Office specialist. Sakdalan Cristel Jessie P with honors. Salazar Lorene Ann G. EngTech graduates, please hold your tassels. And tassels to your left. Congratulations! You may now all be seated. And now, to deliver her message of gratitude is Ms. Michelle Grace J. Aquino of EngTech 3. Let us all give her a big round of applause.
My fellow graduates, parents, family, friends, teachers, faculty, all ladies, gentlemen, and everyone in between, good morning. Before anything, I would like to extend my gratitude to the President of Baliwag University, Dr. Patricia B. Lagunda. I would also like to thank and acknowledge the presence of the Director of the Center for Student Life and Activities, Mr. Antonio V. Ortiz Jr. And of course, may I offer my greetings to the beloved Principal of the Senior High School Department, Dr. Ramadan D.C. De Jesus, and the Assistant Principal, Ms. Erica T. San Miguel. A warm welcome and thanks as well to the representative of the Baliwag University Alumni Association, Ms. Raquel Rola. I am thrilled and honored to be standing here in front of our esteemed attendees as the class of 2023 celebrates its graduation. Please allow me to share with you some important things I picked up along the way, some things that got me through the year, and hopefully will help us through the course of the next few years. We are here today for a multitude of reasons. Behind the strong people that we are, stand those who lifted us and helped us. Specifically, I would like to thank my mother, my father, my brothers Miggy and Kuya Mark, Ate Cherry in heaven, my dear friends, RD, Diana, Aga, EngTech 3, and our class advisor, Ms. Sarah Maggie Heralde Blas, the League of Presidents, and our advisor, Sir Don Jose Pangilinan, and all my teachers and batchmates. I want us to remember that we are here today because despite every reason not to be, we showed up and pulled through. Even when it felt impossible, and even when we didn't want to. For showing up at all, you deserve to be celebrated. To everyone here today, your support means the world to us. Right here, right now, we are officially finished with high school. If this was a movie, it would be overly cliche. Some of us can't wait to get out. Some of us are dreading having to leave this behind. But take a final look at the people you spent high school with, and at the halls and corners of your classrooms. And remember that here, you're leaving a real, lasting legacy. Looking back, it isn't humanly possible for me to sum up the entire year in words, even if I tried. But by heart, you and I know and remember it all too well. But if you're anything like me, getting here was an uphill ride. You're here now because for about 206 days, you showed up. Graduates, congratulate yourself for it. Through all of it, your passion was burning red, and it has opened a door for you, leading to something golden like daylight. And shortly after this speech, we will begin to part ways as we move on to the next big thing. We have gone a long way, but we have a much longer way ahead of us. Circling back to the takeaways I promised, I'll start with number 1. If you know me in any way, you'd know that my top 1 most overused life motto is, it is what it is. In life, some things will inevitably be out of our control. We have to discern and to know what things to hold on to and what to let go of. As my favorite lyrical genius Taylor Swift once said, life can be heavy, especially if you try to carry it all at once. Second is grit. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. And there's no easy way to say this. The next few years will take from us in ways we have yet to understand. It will be unimaginably hard. But you know what else? It will pay off in unimaginable ways, just as it has now. Third, never be afraid to ask for help. The people who make up our support system are a part of why we're here today. And life is heavy. We all know that by now. Even more so, no one deserves to go through it alone. Everything is better with a little bit of company. Lastly, don't forget to make time for the things that truly matter. To the people who make life worth living, tell them you love them. While I know most of us have our lenses focused laser sharp on our goals, never lose sight of what's important. You are important. Your mental health is important. Kindness is important. Just like what Mr. Keating from the film Dead Poets Society said, medicine, law, business, engineering. These are noble pursuits and necessary to sustain life. But poetry, beauty, romance, love, these are what we stay alive for. New places, new people, and new experiences are waiting for us on the other side of the door. And for most, it might be terrifying. And for others, it might be exhilarating. Either way, the way to get by is to embrace the change and go with grace. That in everything that you do, take with you everything that fills you with joy and love, and leave the rest behind. No matter the distance, these people will always have a place in our lives. The people we love and the family we have made along the way are forever and always. And from here on out, you have all the time in the world to figure things out. It is normal to be afraid. Just like you, I am too. But in spite of this, please remember that just as you have before, you will figure things out again this time around. Things will work out for us. Things are working out for us. I mean, just look at us now. And never forget that even though you're on your own now, you are never alone. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Long live Class of 2023.
Cruz Kevin T. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Daniel Mark Job Ramel V, Microsoft Office Specialist. De Leon Legion C. De La Cruz Aaron D.M., Microsoft Office Specialist. De Los Santos Jericho Chris M. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Diaz John Ramon T. Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12. Domingo Lawrence Jezel L. Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12 and Microsoft Office Specialist. Francisco Jeremy C. Microsoft Office Specialist. Garland Daniel C. Luciano Hans Carlo S. Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12. Munsayak Dale Ken C. Service to the Department. Santiago John Gabriel M. Microsoft Office Specialist. Santos Gian Jethro DL. Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12. Santa Maria Louis Tristan DC. Tadeo Victor Drazen G. Timoteo Dieter John A. Microsoft Office Specialist. Villaseran Archie H. Microsoft Office Specialist. Aquino Maria Katrina R. with honors, service to the department clubs, Loyalty Award from Kinder to Grade 12 and Microsoft Office Specialist. Bernabé Juliana Carmela L. Loyalty Award from Kinder to Grade 12 and Microsoft Office Specialist. Katakutan Yael Ruth Grace S. Microsoft Office Specialist. Estabilio John Bernadette S. with high honors. Best in Communication Arts Filipino, Best in Specialized Subjects, Loyalty Award from Grade 7 to Grade 12, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Florentino Crizel Cassandra P., Microsoft Office Specialist. Isidro Janice C. Manahan Alexandria Yunam M. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Sanchez Hannah Jane F. with honors. Villamil Azumi Venice D. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. GenCAD students, please hold your tassels. And tassels to your left. Congratulations. You may now be seated. And now, here are the graduates from Soksay 1, De Dios, Dave Lawrence N. Gabriel Gian Charles C., Microsoft Office Specialist. Galvez Jose Emmanuel E., Outstanding Research Paper and Microsoft Office Specialist. Gizano Edmund Jr. M., Microsoft Office Specialist. Hoson Romuald Evan D.R., Outstanding Research Paper and Microsoft Office Specialist. Magat John Gabriel G. Magpok Zachary Jude C., Microsoft Office Specialist. Obanya Anthony Else V., Microsoft Office Specialist. Reyes James Cedric L., Microsoft Office Specialist. Reyes Vincent J., Microsoft Office Specialist. Cyber, Jared Richard N. with high honors, Best in Communication Arts Filipino and Microsoft Office Specialist. Vicho Neil Aaron V. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Zafra Leandro Angelo B. BU Dance Troupe member and Microsoft Office Specialist. Barros Aleja Marie G. with high honors, outstanding research paper, Microsoft Office Specialist. Katindik Marithea Venice A. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Cruz Kyla Karil DF with high honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. De Leon Althea Gabriel C. with honors, Loyalty Award from Grade 7 to Grade 12 and Microsoft Office Specialist. De Leon Gazel May B. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. De la Cruz Julia Sofia D. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Esguera Charmaine Dominic A. with high honors, outstanding research paper, Loyalty Award from Grade 7 to Grade 12, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Guansing Jamarin R. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Guanzing Myra Denise S. Ignacio Maria Bage H. with high honors, outstanding research paper, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Juliano Tresha Kyla L. with high honors, Best in Communication Arts English, Best in Social Sciences, outstanding research paper, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Legaspi Juliana with honors. Loyalty Award from grade 7 to grade 12, Microsoft Office Specialist. Diabres Mary Niel S. with high honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Lopez Jelody C. Teatro Hiraya member, Microsoft Office Specialist. Martine Roan May T. Microsoft Office Specialist. Salas Beatriz P. with high honors, Best in Science and Technology, Best in Specialized Subjects, Outstanding Research Paper, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Salas Rayem Ann A. with honors, Outstanding Research Paper, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Sanchez Kathleen C. with high honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Santos Jillian Haley S. with high honors, Best in Social Sciences, Leadership Award, Service to the Department, Service to the Department Clubs, Service to the University AMSO, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Santos Luisa Catherine Y. Outstanding Research Paper, Microsoft Office Specialist. Tanaliga Shireen S. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Valondo Winnie Erica D. with honors, Microsoft Office Specialist. Villamonte Vanessa Suzanne S. with high honors, Best in Communication Arts English, Best in Science and Technology, Outstanding Research Paper, and Microsoft Office Specialist. Soksai students, please hold your tassels. and tassels to your left. Congratulations! And now, to deliver her graduation message is Miss Vanessa Suzanne S. Villamonte of Soksay 1. Let us all give her a big round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, guests, fellow graduates, distinguished faculty members, and esteemed university leaders, a warm and pleasant morning to all. We are privileged to have the opportunity to share this momentous occasion with our visionary school president, Dr. Patricia B. Lagunda, our exceptional senior high school principal, Dr. Ramadan DC De Jesus, our dedicated assistant principal, Ms. Erica T. San Miguel, and our accomplished treasurer of Baliwag University Alumni Association, Ms. Raquel Rola. We expressed our sincerest appreciation for gracing us with your presence. It is an honor to stand and speak here before you today on behalf of my class, Humanities and Social Sciences in the academic year 2022 to 2023. As we gather in this grand hall adorned in our caps and gowns, and with our hearts filled with pride and accomplishment, I cannot help but reflect on the journey that has brought us to this very moment. As I prepared for this speech, I still cannot believe that we are now formally ending our high school years. Time really flies by fast. Looking back, it feels like it was just yesterday when we were all trying hard to adjust and unleash our social skills as face-to-face classes were once again reinstituted. And it seems like it was just yesterday when we were all trying our best to allocate enough time and survive every final project we had, from the arduous cheer dance competition to the nerve-wracking research defense. While it was all challenging, our passion for knowledge and growth brought us together in ways we never anticipated. Now, here we are, surrounded by the buzz of excitement and the warmth of human connection. The years of hard work, sacrifice, and late-night study sessions have finally paid off. We have pushed ourselves above and beyond our limits, and we succeeded. With that, I want to honor and congratulate each and every parent, guardian, sibling, grandparent, and our loved ones who are not here, who are truly the reasons why we have come this far and have accomplished this much today. We are eternally grateful for having you by our side and for reminding us of our potential even when we doubt ourselves. I would also like to individually thank the people behind this milestone who have constantly been a great support system for us throughout these years. To our dear teachers, whom I cannot list, we truly appreciate the time you devote to teaching and helping us hone our potential, as well as motivating us toward our goals. We are forever indebted to your wisdom and guidance. To my dearest classmates, with whom I have spent both bad and good days, from the breakdowns to celebrating every small victory, thank you for the laughter and countless memories. To Baliwag University and the incredible people behind this institution, including all the non-teaching staff, thank you for providing students with values, lessons, and skills. The importance of being responsible, having integrity, service, excellence, and respect are deeply instilled within us as we navigate the unknown, adapt to change, and continue striving for excellence. Last but not least, to our dearest family, who have never failed to show their undying support in everything we do, we express our deepest gratitude. Especially to my family and my Lola Amanda for not missing a single awarding ceremony and for always supporting me. As we celebrate and embark on this new chapter filled with endless possibilities and opportunities, let us remember that our education does not end here. The world is ever evolving, and it is our responsibility to continue learning, adapting, and growing. The knowledge and skills we have acquired are not merely for personal gain, but also to make a positive impact on our society. Whether it's through science, business, social sciences, or any other field, let us strive to create meaningful changes. Each one of us has a unique skill and passion that can contribute to the betterment of the world. I would also like to share this line from Chris Garner, In Pursuit of Happiness, as a reminder to all of us. Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. You got a dream, you gotta protect it. If you want something, go get it. Now, as I end my speech, let me also impart you with a quote by Hannibal Barca. Aut viam inveniam, aut faciam, which translates in English as, I will either find a way or I will make one. Graduates, we are the only ones who can determine what path we take for ourselves. Yes, there may be our beloved ones to support us in every little decision we make, but we must never forget that the final answer will always and always be within us. Class of 2023, I, Vanessa Suzanne Villamonte from Humanities and Social Sciences, stand before you today proud and humbled by the achievements of our graduating class. With gratitude in our hearts and determination in our souls, let us go forth and become vital parts of society, carrying forward the values this institution has engraved to us. May our paths be filled with success, fulfillment, and an unwavering belief in our abilities. And may we achieve our wildest dreams. Thank you and best of luck on your next journey, everyone.
Thank you for that very motivating message, Suzanne. Indeed, it is our dream to see all of you find and make your ways, succeed, and see you move forward with your lives and journeys. At this juncture, we shall have the induction of graduates to the Baliwag University Alumni Association. To lead the graduates is Ms. Raquel Arrola, representative of Baliwag University Alumni Association. We are requesting all graduates to please stand.
Kami, mga nagsipag-aral sa Baliwag University, ay nangangako na magiging tapat sa paaralang aming pinagtapusan at sa Baliwag University Alumni Association. Dahil dito, sa aming buhay na pansarili at pambayan, sisikapin naming manatiling marangal upang ang aming pag-iisip, pananalita at pagkilos ay makapagpatunay sa karunungan, kagandahang asal, at pagkamakabayan na siyang layunin ng Baliwag University Alumni Association. Ipinangangako naming kami makikipagtulungan sa mga gawain at proyekto ng samahang ito upang makapagdulot ng dangal at kapurihan sa aming alma mater at sa ating inang bayan.
With humility and sincerity, I pledge my loyalty to the Baliwag University. I promise without any mental reservation to hold my diploma with utmost care and with sober sense of responsibility. And in gratitude and loyalty to my alma mater, I will endeavor to be worthy of her good name and will dedicate myself to the noble cause of country, science, and virtue. May God bless the Baliwag University.
gabay ng pag-asa sa puso ng bawat isa. Karunungan, tanglaw sa kinabukasan, taglayin, gabay ng may lalang. Pagmamahal sa'yo ay di mawawala. Pasalamatan ka, pamantasang baliwag. Alayan ka at paglingkuran, siyang dulot ng mga kabataan. Liwanag mo'y aming tataglayin, sa bawat tagumpay nakakamtin. Mahal naming paaralan, purihin ka sa iyong kadakilaan. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng pag-asa sa puso ng bawat isa. Karunungan, tanglaw sa kinabukasan, taglayin, gabay ng may lalang. Pagmamahal sa'yo ay di mawawala. Pasalamatan ka, pamantasang baliwag. Alayan ka at paglingkuran, siyang dulot ng mga kabataan. Liwanag mo'y aming tataglayin, sa bawat tagumpay nakakamtin. Mahal naming paaralan, purihin ka sa iyong kadakilaan. Lunining mo'y itatanghal, aming mutyang paaralan, ang kislap ng iyong ngalan, bandilang iwawagayway, at ika mo'y ihahayag, ihahasi ang iyong liwanag, tagumpay mo'y laging laan, pamahantasang baliwag. Lunining mo'y itatanghal, aming mutyang paaralan, ang kislap ng iyong ngalan.
Ladies and gentlemen, the recessional.
Nang iwawagayway, at ika mo'y ihahayag, ihahasik ang iyong liwanag, tagumpay mo'y laging hangad, pamahandasang baliwag. Lunining mo'y itatanghal, aming mutyang paaralan, ang kislap ng iyong ngalan, bandilang iwawagayway, at ika mo'y ihahayag, ihahasik ang iyong liwanag, tagumpay mo'y laging laan, pamahantasang baliwag.
Once again, congratulations, Baliwag University Senior High School, Batch 2023.